Go ahead.
Where this homeowner, Brett, is not staying in his home tonight.
Yeah, but this homeowner tells me that if you go inside his unit, the smell is almost unbearable, which is enough to keep most people away. But if you take into account the air conditioner not working and going inside and looking around and see the mold, which is visibly growing throughout this unit, this homeowner tells me he's now concerned that his home is a health risk for himself and now for his neighbors. But he says cleaning this up is not his problem. This sliding glass door in Billy Lindsay's condo was made to keep the outside out, but it's failed at that. This cell phone video shows a stream of water rushing into Lindsay's living room. He says it's come in because this drain outside his house didn't do its job.
As soon as it starts raining, this drain fills up and it's a lake on my patio. It's bad.
It's not the first time Lindsay's Berkshire Place condo has flooded or the first time he's complained. When the water rushed in this time, Lindsay says he immediately started calling his homeowners association and the property management group. That was more than 21 days ago.
The smell is unbearable.
Now inside his home today, there is mold growing on his furniture, mosquitoes, flies, and the carpet is still soaked.
That thing's soaking wet now.
Lindsay says at first both the HOA and the management group seemed like they were going to fix the faulty drain and the damage it caused. Now he says that's changed. He says his HOA told him
Replacing the roof on building 4 was a higher priority, and that if I needed to talk to somebody, I needed to get in touch with the management company.
We tried to ask Weston Management questions about the condo today.
Their office is saying at this time that they have no comment.
When their answering service told us that, we went to Weston Management's Ott Road office, where despite the hours listed on the front door saying they should be open, the lights were off and the door was locked. Without the drain fixed, it's pointless to do anything inside this house. Lindsay says he knows that because he's already tried renting a carpet cleaner and drying things out, only for the water to rush right back in the very next time it rained.
And if it wasn't for my parents, I would be homeless. I would be out on the streets. If it wasn't for the fact that my parents lived in South Carolina, I would have nowhere else to go.
We're told by the homeowner that the air conditioner was damaged in the flooding and hasn't been repaired yet. As for the HOA, we tried to reach out to the person today we were told was the chairman of the HOA for this community. We're not. Our calls to them have not yet been returned. We're live tonight in Northeast Richland County. Brett Buffington, WIS News 10.
All right, thank you, Brett.